Hey, this is John from the Techie Car Guy, and we are doing a set of Aero Twin wipers from Bosch on a Mercedes GLK350. This will also work on a number of late model Mercedes. Pretty simple process. You manually pull up the wipers, pop out the little cartridges. I always like to have everything set out beforehand. And you just use a little pick and pop the little clip, pull it out, and put in the new one. Now they are two different sizes. The driver's side gets the longest of the arms, and so make sure you're putting the right one in. But when you put it back, you just pop it in, boom. And then I'll show you real quick on the other side where I stick the pick. There's a little square. You just stick it in there and push down the tab, and then it pops right out. And then you slide the new one in. And again, the shorter one goes on the passenger side. And these are A696 S Bosch replacements. You put it back, and then that's all she wrote. All done. Again, this is John from the Techie Car Guy, and we appreciate you watching our DIYN5 or less. And we hope you will subscribe and follow us on Facebook. We'll see you soon. Take care now.